Deciding among various choices for health insurance. We have a guy who starts a new job named Ronald Roth as a controller with Arrow Systems today. Carol, the employee benefits clerk, gave Ronald a packet that contains information on the company's health insurance options. So Arrow Systems offers its employees the choice between a private insurance company, Blue Cross Blue Shield, an HMO, and a PPO. Ronald needs to review the packet to make a decision on which healthcare program fits his needs. So they give information, the details about Blue Cross Blue Shield in Part A and HMO in Part B, and the details for the PPO, that's a typo right there, in Part C. And what Ronald decides to do is he decides to take last year's expenses, which are right here. Ronald decided to review his medical bills from the previous year to see what cost he had incurred and to help him evaluate his choices. And then what annual medical cost will Ronald pay using the sample medical expenses provided, that is from last year, if he were to enroll in the Blue Cross Blue Shield plan. So let's look at the Blue Cross Blue Shield details. It says he's going to pay a monthly premium. Monthly premium cost to Ronald will be $44.32. So $44.32 times 12 is he's going to pay $531.84. That'll be his annual premiums right here. Okay. Then it says for all doctor office visits, prescriptions, and major medical charges, Ronald will be responsible for 20%, and the insurance company will cover 80%. And then there's an annual deductible of $500. So let's see what he did last year. Last year he visited the general physician 4 times at a cost of $165 each visit. So $165 times 4 would be $660 for the office visits. He also had $73.99 for prescriptions, $73.99. And this comes out to be a total of $660 plus $73 plus $99, or $832. Now, Ronald's got to pay $500 out of pocket first, and that leaves $332, which means he's going to be responsible for 20% of that $332, or $66.40. So Ronald's total out-of-pocket annual medical cost under Blue Cross Blue Shield will be as follows. It'll be the $531.84 for premiums that we just figured up there, the $500 deductible that we said he had to come out of those office visits and prescriptions, and his copay, which is 20% of the remainder. So we said that $832 minus the $500 deductible, he's got to be responsible for 20% of that $332, which is $66.40. So all three of those amounts come out to a total of $1,098.24.